Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have here these awesome Philips Hue white 800 light bulbs here. I love these. We connect these via Bluetooth to our Alexa device, and we really like how you can turn them on. Turn on the light. You can dim them. The Philips Hue has their own app that you can dim them, and you can do this cool feature. It's like a shimmer feature where it kind of like does this with the light. So it's really nice. I love how convenient these smart light bulbs are, to be able to ask a device to turn them on while you're a parent is like super convenient and helpful, because I have a toddler and he's always running around and just acting wild. So to have one less thing that I have to go over and turn on is just really helpful. So I definitely recommend these. I like the durability of them. I like that they have lasted me a long time, and they're super convenient and easy. So definitely check them out. And that is my point of view.